Hello everyone and welcome to Short Quizzes here on YouTube. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. But if you're not, let's hope that over the next few minutes, we can go some way to brightening your day. Whether you're working hard or hardly working, at home, in the office, or at the back of class, here's your chance to take a few minutes and have some quizzing fun. The guidelines are up on screen. You can play this quiz on your own, with a group or as teams. Grab a pen and paper and write out those answers. But no search engines, no phone a friend. That's just cheating. The theme of this quiz is science, nature, technology and inventions. There'll be about 25 to 30 seconds for each question in the video, but feel free to pause if you need a bit longer. If you are playing with others, you can swap your answer papers when all 10 questions are done and then mark each other's efforts. And don't forget to leave me or your fellow quizzers a comment and let us know if you've had some fun, and I'll put up a poll near the end so you can share your score and see how others have done. So let's get started with question 1. What is the collective noun for a group of elephants? Question 2. Which is the largest of the planets in our solar system? Question 3. Which 19th century biologist is credited for creating the first vaccines to both rabies and anthrax? Question 4. In which country were toothbrushes first used in the 15th century? Question 5. Which country uses the internet domain suffix .dk? Question 6. How many sides does a regular dodecahedron have? Question 7. What are the letters Q and R short for in reference to QR codes? Question 8. By what other name is the element quicksilver more formally known? Question 9. Wallace Carothers is credited with the invention of what? And I've made this one multiple choice, so your options are post-it notes, the rechargeable battery, or nylon. And question 10. Argon, krypton, xenon and radon are 4 of the 6 naturally occurring noble gases on the periodic table. What are the other 2? Okay, that's all 10 questions. How do you think you've done? Time now to swap your answer papers if you are playing with others, and we'll get to those answers right away. So feel free to pause now if you need a few moments to confer, and you join us when you're ready. So question 1 was, what is the collective noun for a group of elephants? And the answer is a herd. Question 2. Which is the largest of the planets in our solar system? And the answer is Jupiter. Question 3. Which 19th century biologist is credited for creating the first vaccines to both rabies and anthrax? And the answer, Louis Pasteur. Question 4. In which country were toothbrushes first used in the 15th century? Did you know this one? The answer is China, and they were made from boar's hair. Question 5. Which country uses the internet domain suffix .dk? The answer is Denmark. Question 6. How many sides does a regular dodecahedron have? And the answer is 12. Question 7. What are the letters Q and R short for in reference to QR codes? Q and R stands for quick response. Question 8. By what other name is the element quicksilver more formally known? And the answer is mercury. Question 9. Wallace Carruthers is credited with the invention of what? And I gave you multiple choice: post-it notes, the rechargeable battery, or nylon. And the answer is nylon. And question 10. Argon, krypton, xenon and radon are 4 of the 6 naturally occurring noble gases on the periodic table. What are the other 2? And they are helium and neon. And you need both for the point. So how did you do? Let me know in the poll that should be appearing at the top of the screen now. If you've enjoyed this quiz, please click the thumbs up button to let me and YouTube know that you enjoyed it. And why not leave me or your fellow quizzers a comment in the comments form below. But please, be friendly in the comments. And I would be much obliged, if you haven't already, if you'd go ahead and click the subscribe button and follow the channel. So all that's left for me to say is, thank you very much for watching, have a great day, goodbye.